Another question we have is the limit of sine x minus 2 over x squared minus 4 as x tends to 2. So what we're going to do in this case is to use your algebra to solve the denominator. So this one is a difference of 2 squared. This is a difference of 2 squared. We can separate the function at the denominator times 1 over what? X plus 2. So at this point now, apply the laws of limits for product of functions, and that will be equal to limits as x tends to 2 of sine x minus 2 over x minus 2, and then times limits as x tends to 2 of 1 over what? X plus 2. Okay, and you can see the inner functions here and the denominator, they are the same. So this limit will be equal to what? 1 times. Then here, do your direct substitution, and that will be what? 1 over x 2 plus 2, that's 4. So the answer is 1 over 4. Yeah, this is another question. This is what we have. Limit as x tends to 0 of these quotient functions. Okay, so in this case now, what we just need here is to do the algebra, and that will be limits as x tends to 0. This one implies 4 sine 5x over this, then plus what? 2 times x over what? Over this over this, and this one over this. You can use the limits of sum of functions, the properties of limits of sum of function, and that will be limits as x tends to 0 of this function. So what I did here is just to apply the properties, the rules of limits for sum of functions. Okay, when you have a sum of functions, okay, on the limits, it's going to be limit of each of those functions. So that's what we have done in this case now. Then the next thing to do now is to just do a little algebra. This 4 can come outside as x tends to 0 sine 5x. Okay, I can make this one, I can introduce 5 here also, and I will cancel that 5 outside. Okay, because I want the function here and the functions at the denominator to be the same, then plus. These two can come outside. Okay, so this one is equal to 1. Okay, this one also is also equal to what? 1. And that will be what? 5 times 4, that's 20, times 1 plus what? Plus 2. Okay, please note, whenever you have the limits of a function, either tan, either sine, okay, any trig function, okay, if the inner function, whatever the inner function here, if it's the same with the denominator, it's going to give you what? 1. And you can see this one also, sine of this inner function, and that inner function is the same as the denominator. That's 1. Okay, so that's that on this question. Okay, at this time, if you are watching me for the first time, there's watermarks on the video. Kindly smash the watermarks and hit the notification bell. Click on the like button and begin to type your comments. Okay, that is one of the ways to advance this channel. Don't stop there. Begin to type your comments and share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.